go, oh, go, yeah, go, let's go, go, go,
Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a get ready with me video. We're gonna prime the face first. I'm gonna be using the Porefessional primer, and I'm gonna start with primer because I just want to set the primer there while I do my eyes. I'm gonna prime my lid using the Anastasia Concealer, and this one is in 5.0. This is the one that I use when I do my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna use it for my lid today as well. Now I'm gonna go with the BH Cosmetic Glamreflection, sorry. The BH Cosmetic Glamreflection palette, and this one is the Smokey that looks like this. And I'm gonna set this concealer using this shade. And I'm gonna go with this color in the middle, and I'm gonna take it as well on the crease. For my lid, I'm gonna go with this rose color. So I'm gonna go now with lashes. For today's lashes, I'm gonna go with these lashes. So now that I finished with the eyes, well, I didn't finish with the eyes, so I'm gonna move on with the makeup. I already did a review on these products. The link is gonna be in the description box below. So I'm gonna grab just the same color. I'm gonna use this Ulta Contour Kit that I haven't used for a long time. And I'm gonna set this contour that I applied with this shade right here. This is the Bombshell Bronzer. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild loose highlighter, and this one is the shade Hustle and Glow. I've been liking loose highlighter lately because it makes your skin look nice and it doesn't look like you have highlighter. It looks like if you were born with a glowy skin. And I'm gonna use this brush. This is the AOA Studio F19 brush. Okay, now I'm gonna go back with the palette, and I'm gonna take the middle color here, and I'm just gonna apply it on the bottom of my lower lashes. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the mascara and I'm just gonna apply mascara on my lower lashes. Then I'm gonna go back again with that highlighter, that loose highlighter. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that highlighter and just apply it on my inner corner. And that is just gonna make my eyes pop a lot more. Now moving on to my lips, I'm first gonna line my lips using the Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner. And now I'm just gonna be applying the liquid lipstick. I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is from the Let's Chocolate collection. This is the shade Box of Chocolate 852. It smells like chocolate. And there you have it, my love. This is the completed look. So that is it for this get ready with me. Hope you guys like this type of video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me in the comment box below any recommendation that you guys have. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn on your post notifications so that way you don't miss any new videos that I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.